Right, a few of my subscribers had been asking me to do the full Wim Hof method for them to watch and learn from, knowing that I've been doing this for about a year. And I thought, let's do it in the wild, let's do it in nature. And there's nothing nicer than seeing this autumnal looking woodland surrounding us. And one black dog, of course. So what I'm going to do are a few of the yoga moves that I do. I kind of mix it up. I do a bit of yoga, sometimes that kind of animal movement, Ido Portal stuff. I'm not too sure what I'll be doing today, but I just kind of make it up as I go along. I'll give you some idea as to the stuff I do. Then I'll do a full round of breathing. I won't do the 3 rounds. I've already done them this morning, so as I think you know, I've mentioned this before, I don't like to do it too much. So I'll give you 1 round of breathing and then followed by the breath hold. And then I'll show you a video that I made this morning of me doing my usual cold therapy in the garden at about 6 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, hope this helps, hope this makes for enjoyable content. Here we go. So for the observant amongst you there, that's not all yoga, of course. So I do a bit of mobility, a bit of yoga, sort of those animal type movements, but all really just to get my body warmed up in the morning. And some of the yoga poses are good because they're static poses that help with the supporting muscles and such like. I occasionally do other moves. The headstand was interesting because right now I'm the woodland here, really bad spot. Why did I choose this? I've got no idea, but it's on a bit of an angle, so the headstand was an interesting one. I had to kind of adjust my balance, but anyway, all the more amusing, I would imagine, to watch. Right, so anyway, let's do a round of breathing so you get a real feel for that. That's probably more important. So there we are. Let's get in the low squat. Many health benefits, by the way, to this low squat thing. So if you don't do it, do it. I'll do another video on why it's a particularly good position to sit in. Aside from, of course, if you don't have any chairs, it's quite a useful thing. Now I'm on the piss a bit here. Sorry, I'm on an angle. So hang on. Let's hopefully you can still see me. Right, so hopefully that demonstration was useful. That's pretty much how I do it. You note that I chucked in a few press-ups there. Now, quite often I'll do the breath hold press-ups maybe on the third or fourth round. And if I am doing it on, say, the third round, I will do a full power breathing set, or sorry, full round of power breathing, and then I'll just go straight into the press-ups. But sometimes, say on my second round, I'll do a minute of breath hold, and then I'll go and do a few press-ups. Hey, Win. I had a feeling you might be stepping in front of the camera then. What else? Hopefully you saw my stomach protruding or moving outwards as I inhaled. You guys don't need to know that, or rather, you guys don't need me to tell you that. You know the benefits of breathing through your diaphragm. If you don't already do it, and start practicing it. You'll find you're better able to take in more. You'll get a better lungful of air, for example. So, many people will talk of the fact that when we go through life, we are shallow breathing most of the time. And I always remember as a child somebody saying, make sure you fill up those milk bottles. I guess the reference being the image, conjuring the image of two milk bottles. That shows my age, doesn't it? With inside you, and making sure you fill them right up when you breathe in. And certainly diaphragmatic breathing does that. That helps that. So make sure you start doing that. I breathe through the nose when I'm inhaling. Other people will breathe through the mouth when they're doing the power breathing. For me, after reading The Oxygen Advantage by Patrick McKeown, I now know the many benefits, health benefits of breathing through the nose. So as much as possible, whatever I'm doing, apart from when I'm talking to you lot, I am breathing through my nose. What else? I think that is it. So, I hope you found that useful. Do fire questions. Do make any comments that you feel the need to do. All the while, during this evolution of mine, I'm practicing new methods. So yeah, do suggest any ideas you think I should explore. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Evolution of Dave signing off. Thank you. Oh yeah.